District 4, can you move that guy to range orange?
So I'll make an introductory remark. We want the rule of law in Cote d'Ivoire. We want to protect citizens, all the people. We want to abide by human rights. This is very important for us. We do not want discrimination. We believe in diversity, and we don't want to accept impunity in Cote d'Ivoire. All Ivorians are equal, and they should be treated equally. That's why I set up a national commission of inquiry last week, and that inquiry commission will look at all the events that occurred since the elections, and especially on the western part of the country where hundreds of people got killed. We want